Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to prepare the balance sheet under the chapter Financial Reporting of Banking Companies under the subject Financial Reporting and Analysis. Again, a very important topic for all the TYBBI SEM 5 students. Okay, in this video, basically, we are going to learn how to make or how to prepare the balance sheet with the help of a format. Okay, so let us see. In this video, we are going to first learn the format of balance sheet, and thereafter we will be taking up one sum in which we learn how to substitute the values in the format of the balance sheet. Okay, so let us start with first the format of balance sheet. Now, your balance sheet has been divided in two parts. We have capital and liabilities, under which there are five schedules: share capital, reserve and surplus, deposits, borrowing, and other liability. And second, we have asset, in which we have cash in hand and cash with RBI, cash with other bank, and money at call, short call notice. Investment, advances, fixed asset, other assets. And after that, you have something called as the contingent liabilities. Okay. Now, let us start first. Let us try to understand like what are the things which can come under each schedule. Now, share capital will basically have your shares ke related stuff. Okay, anything which are related to shares. Reserve and surplus can have your reserve fund, capital reserve, profit and loss, security premiums. Deposits can be saving account deposit, current accounts, fixed deposits. Borrowing includes any other borrowing which you have. The bank has a borrowing with other banks. And other liabilities you can have creditors, bills payable, unclaimed dividend, outstanding, all the things. Okay. Cash in hand, cash at bank. That is that same cash in hand, cash with RBI. Then you have cash with other bank, money at call notice. Investment, if the bank has made some investment, it can be investment in gold, in shares, in call, any of those. Advances may if the company bank has given loans, advances, bill discounting. Under fixed asset, if the bank has land and building, furniture, machineries. Okay, and contingent liability if the bank has has taken someone's security or some mortgage based pay, some bill collection, some security was taken, so that comes under contingent liability. Now, based on that, now let us see how we will solve the very first sum. Okay. Okay, here is given that Basant Bank Limited provides the following information for the year ending 31st March. Prepare balance sheet for the year. Creditors, share capital, saving account, reserve, profit and loss, unclaimed dividend, money at call notice, loan, demand draft, cash credit, land and building, investment, fixed deposit, furniture, current account, cash with RBI, cash with other bank, cash in hand, borrowing from other bank, bills payable, bill discounted, and investment in gold. Okay, so these are the things which they are given us. And the next thing is they are giving you adjustment. Bill of exchange amounts to 1960. Acceptance on behalf of customers are given. And authorized capital of the bank was also given to us. Okay, now the very first thing under our balance sheet format, the very first schedule is based on share capital. So now let us see what all things can come under share capital. Okay, so let us start with the schedule number one. Now remember they are giving you authorized capital is 10,000. So yes, authorized capital will be shown in the working note or in the notes to account of share capital. And the second is here, if you can look on the second part, share capital of 7,000. They have directly given us that. So two things will appear in this particular in the very first schedule. Number one will be your authorized capital, which will be just shown in the schedule, and after that it doesn't come in the balance sheet. Okay, and secondly, the share capital, which will actually be shown in the balance sheet also. So schedule one, we have authorized capital of 10,000. Just double line it and leave it there itself. Share capital was 7,000. So total of share capital is 7,000. So this is what we are going to post. Okay, in our balance sheet. So balance sheet schedule one, 7,000 rupees. That is in lakhs. Okay, so 7,000 in lakhs. Second schedule is based on reserves and surplus. So chalo, let us start with second schedule. Now under reserve and surplus, let us see what all things are given. Okay, they're giving you reserve and surplus number one. They're giving you profit and loss second. Other than that, I don't think there is any other premiums or anything given to us. So there are only two things: reserve and surplus 2150 and profit and loss account 1350. So in our schedule 2, we have reserve fund and profit and loss. We total it up. We got the total as 3500. That's my second schedule ka total. So once we got the total, now we'll post it that in the balance sheet ka format. So we'll have 7000 and 3500 for reserves and surplus. Okay, now third is the deposit. Deposit, matlab under the liability side, the deposit meaning when the public had deposited money in the bank. So that becomes a liability of the bank to repay them. Okay, so let us see what all thing can come under deposits. Okay, deposit. Okay, I can see saving bank. Yes. I can see fixed deposit account. Yes. And I can see current account. Yes. So these are the three accounts which are usually maintained by the bank of the client. So any client who have deposited or customers who have deposited money into the bank, okay, that becomes the liability of the bank and they come under deposits. So we have fixed deposit 2250, saving account and current account. Total comes to 11950. That is the total of a third schedule. So in a third schedule, we will write 11950. Next is borrowings. Under borrowing, we have to search if the company has, or sorry, if the bank has made borrowing in any other banks. Okay. So let us see schedule number 4. Okay. See, share capital has been done. Saving bank is done. Reserve is done. Profit and loss is done. FD is done. Current account is done. So now if they have any other borrowing, okay, I can see here there is one borrowing from other bank 3250. So there's only one borrowing, rest there is no other borrowings which are given. So our schedule number 4, borrowing from other bank 3250, total is also same 3250. There was only one itinerary. So in our schedule 4, 3250 has been appeared. Okay, now the remaining, whatever remaining liabilities are available, that comes under other liabilities. Chalo. Again, I'll just cross out. Okay, what other liabilities are there? Creditors, yes. Share capital has been done. Saving is done. Reserve is done. PNL is done. Okay, unclaimed dividend, yes, that's a liability. Money call, no, no, loan doesn't come here. Investment, fixed deposit has been done. Current has been done. Cash is not coming here. Borrowings has been done. Bills payable, yes, that's a liability. The bill discount, it doesn't come here. Investment doesn't come here. So I can see three things: creditors, unclaimed dividend, and bills payable, which comes under other liabilities. So creditor, bills payable, unclaimed dividend, 5000 plus 449, 4450 plus 250 comes to 9700. Okay, that is schedule number 5 ka total. So we note down 9700, and now when we total up 7000 plus 3.5 plus 11950 plus 3250 plus 9700, the total asset comes to 35,400 in lakhs. Okay, so with this we are done with the liability side, the capital and liability side. Now we'll jump to the asset side. The very first schedule under asset is schedule number 6, which is based on cash in hand and cash with RBI. So let us check cash in hand. Okay, I can see here there is cash in hand and there is cash with RBI. Both the things are available, so we'll just take it down: cash in hand and cash at RBI. Okay, so that is 2500 plus 4450. Total comes to 6950. Schedule number 6. So under schedule number 6, we have 6950. Next is cash with other bank and money at short call notice. So let us see that money with other banks. I can see here cash with other bank and money at call. Yeah, here I can see money at call and short notice. Both the values are there. So we noted down money at call 6800, cash with other bank 4250, total come to 11050. Schedule number 7. So schedule number 7 pe 11050. Next is investment. Okay, so let us check now what all investment the bank has done. So see, we'll just cross out. Credit is done, share capital is done, saving is done, reserve is done, PNL, unclaimed, money at call. Investment at loan doesn't come here, land doesn't come here. Investment at cost is given, FD is done, current is done, all the cashes are done, borrowing is done, bills payable is done, bill discount cannot come here. Investment in gold, I can see two investment: investment at cost, investment in gold. Both will note it down: 1500, 2500, total 4000. Schedule number 8. So under schedule number 8, 4000. Now schedule number 9 is based on advances. Advances is nothing but places or time where the bank has given money to others, and bill discounting if there is anything related to bill discounting. So let us check schedule number 9 ke liye we need okay, I can see your bill discounted, and I can even see loans and demand draft and cash credit which has been given. So schedule number 9 पे loan demand draft cash credit and bill discounted, total come to 8750. That is total of schedule number 9. Okay, so this is schedule number 9, 8750. Fixed assets में I can see a few things. Land and building is there, number 1. Furniture is there, number 2. And other than that, I don't think there is anything else remaining. See, creditor is done, savings are done. These all things have been posted. Land investment is done. Current cash, borrowing, bills payable, investment, everything is done. Only now bill discounted is okay. Bill discounted is also done. So that's it. Land and building and furniture. So those are the only two things which were pending. So we totaled it up. 4650 comes under schedule number 10. Now, if you look carefully for other assets, let's check here now. Done. Whatever is pending, if you cross it out, I guess we have covered up furniture. Yes. Chalo, everything has been covered up, so there is no other assets pending here now. Okay, so there is basically no other asset under Schedule 11. So Schedule 11 is nil. When you total it up, it will come to the same value. Okay, so on the calc, if I take it as 6950 plus 11050 plus 4000 plus 8750 plus 4650. Okay, we will get the same total 35,400. Okay. Now, what are the two things which are pending? Bill of exchange amount is that's nothing but bill of collection and acceptance on behalf of customer. On behalf of customer, you have taken some acceptance. So that is a liability, but since it is an adjustment, it will come under contingent liability. So we have a contingent liability of 2,800 and bill for collection we have amount 1960, which doesn't come under the totals. Okay. So with this, we were able to complete an entire sum based on how to prepare the balance sheet. Okay, the only thing you all have to remember is the numbers, the numbering of the schedule and what comes under the schedule. Okay, the sums are very simple. Just remember what all we have posted in the schedule. Similar kind of questions are expected. Okay, I hope everyone have understood the format and how we were able to solve the very first sum. Okay, chalo. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.